The machine body is integrally welded from high-specification, thickened steel plates, featuring a creative embedded oil cylinder base that can ensure long-term stability under heavy load continuous operations. Due to this precision machining equipment and its custom tooling working in synergy, the parallelism error of core components is strictly controlled within 0.02 mm, so that all bends are consistently flawless. The thickened rectangular steel frame, paired with a dual rail guide system, can significantly enhance overall rigidity and impact resistance, even under sustained high-intensity production. The machine still maintains fast speed and ultra-high precision. Equipped with the original Dutch DAS 69S CNC system, the machine adopts 8-axis coordinated control and intelligent deflection compensation module to automatically offset deformation errors caused by workpiece length variations. As a result, the finished parts become uniform, defect-free. Moreover, its visual-to-D graphical programming interface is intuitive and easy to learn. Even green hands can get started quickly. It also enables 3D drawing import and eliminates tedious programming and data entry. In this way, programs required can be generated directly from the imported model. An extensive built-in process database is available to reduce repetitive parameter adjustments and significantly boost your production efficiency. Our standard-equipped original German Rexroth hydraulic components are designed as modular integrated structure for high stability and easy maintenance. Together with CNC and measurement systems, they will form a closed-loop high-precision control to ensure consistent, stable bending dimensions. Above all, we also provide some needful safety devices, such as safety light curtain, that can monitor hazardous areas in real time, immediately lock the RAM when personnel approach, and accordingly prevent operator injuries at the source. The other is 3-color acousto-optic warning indicator. In short, such measures are designed to offer a full-spectrum safety system for the greater peace of mind during high-intensity production.